In eastern Uganda, more than 30 people are confirmed dead after floods caused a landslide. Pope Francis accepts the resignation of Cardinal Donald Wuerl of Washington, D.C. Wuerl had replaced Cardinal Theodore McCarrick, who was accused of sexual wrongdoing earlier this year. In Greece, workers at the Ministry of Culture hold a 24-hour strike over their fears that the government plans to privatize historic sites. And Britain's Queen Elizabeth witnesses the marriage of her granddaughter, Princess Eugenie, to Jack Brooksbank at Windsor Castle.